market with Kendra Ellis, and we are going to be looking at this house that her parents just bought, and they're going to be flipping, and y'all, but this place is like walking into the 70s. Definitely. It's a time warp coming in here. So I'm going to let Kendra guide us. I'm going to ask some questions. I'm going to drive the camera. We'll see how all of this works, but we got to start with this amazing, gorgeous front door.
Well, they're going to redo everything, but everything is original. It's not been touched since the 70s. So.
Woo-hoo-hoo! All right. Woo, look at this. Y'all check out this floor. Look at that. Oh, yes. It's just so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. And I want y'all, can you see the gold flakes in the ceiling up there? It's just so cute. It's just also amazing. There's a urinal.
End of a day.
And a bidet. So the other weird thing I find about the urinal is that there's a window to the shower. Hey! I don't know why. I just feel like that's kind of weird.
The original owner is Jasper Jones, and he was kind of like a big time, I would say one of like the most richest people in this area. So people have always wanted to know, what does it look like in the hill or the house on the hill? So this is it.
Y'all, this is an amazing, amazing property right here in East Tennessee that I had no idea existed, and it's absolutely gorgeous, even with this lightning rods on the roof and all the extra little touches that have been put into this house. Oh, it's awesome, and I cannot wait to come back and see what your parents have done.
Yeah.
In, what do you say, a year?
Oh my gosh, I hope it's sooner than that.
I love coming and looking at these properties, y'all. If you have a place you want me to come look at, please, please, please call me.
Okay, so one thing for sure is if you love a house and it's been sitting on the market, keep making offers, Wait 2 weeks. If they still haven't got it under contract, make another offer. This house is so unique that the agent did not design it and did not market it directly to the people that could afford it, because this area, you just can't see this size house. It's very unique, only a very special buyer, and you really have to make a targeted audience to market it to that. But if you are a buyer looking for a unique property and you found it, you think it's overpriced, keep at it, because consistency can pay off.
All right, y'all, we're out of here. Check out this house. Oh, it's gorgeous. Y'all are gonna have so much fun with that. Oh, fun little project. All right, now we're driving for dollars. Ready?
Yep. I really do want to show you the duplexes that I was thinking about.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
So originally, my friend is a real estate investor in South Knoxville, and he listens to like tons of podcasts. And he told me, he's like, hey, have you met Whitney Nicely? She has a podcast and she's a real estate investor here in Knoxville. I was like, hold on, there's another real estate investor here in Knoxville and she's a woman? Like, I need to meet this lady. And so then I Googled you and like found your podcast, and I listened to it. I was like, oh yeah, that's cool. I guess whatever I listened to the first time, I didn't understand what it was. And then I found you on Facebook and I was like, she is spunky. Like, I like her. But it wasn't until like, I think we were friends on Facebook for a long time. But whenever you started talking about that you wanted to play cash flow and that you're selling your tickets for First Deal Done Fast, and if you got at a certain price, you get to play cash flow. And I was like, I want to play cash flow because I've read the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, and I've wanted to play that game, and I've never played it. I didn't want to spend $75 to play the game by myself. So that's why I
So you spend $500 to come play with me?
I came to First Deal done fast to play cash flow.
Yay!
And I learned so much.
Yay! Where are we now?
We're at my first property that I bought when I was 18. There was a hailstorm that came in. My car got damaged, and I took that money and I drove my hail damaged car around for 2 years, took the $8,000, and I bought this trailer. I owner financed it for $45,000 with $3,000 down. They rented it out to where I pretty much got all my money that I spent on it in rent before I had to foreclose on them. So one thing that I learned definitely is don't let someone have the deed on something for owner finance up front, especially when you're dealing with something like a little $50,000 house. So wait on that. Then I rented it. We were tired of doing that. At the time, I was in college whenever we kicked him out, and I was just having a hard time because I was so young and I was trying to deal with them by myself. I was trying to manage it by myself. I had no idea what I was doing. I was not into real estate yet. This was my first thing ever. So it was really hard to learn all of that stuff. So then with my husband, when we got married, he's like, this is a money, an investment. It can make us money. Let's start treating it like that. So there was a gap that it just kind of sat here for a while. We came in, we did a little repairs to it, and then we rented it out. We kicked those people out because they stopped making payments, rented it out again, and it's just been back and forth. But now, after we've evicted the third person out of here, my papa tells me that he has somebody new to buy it. So somebody wants to owner finance it for $50,000, as is, when we thought we were going to put $6,000 into fixing it up. We thought we were going to paint everything. We're going to do new cabinets, new flooring, and really make it nice, because over time we've done a lot of putting lipstick on a pig kind of thing, and band-aiding it just to make it decent. A lot of stuff on the inside, and it's like an old trailer, and it's really junky. But if it was painted and new cabinets and new flooring, like, it would look really nice. But Papa calls me because we showed him on Sunday, and he said that I showed him where the key was, and so he said, I showed your property today and I sold it for you.
Thanks, Papa.
Yeah, he said, as is, just the way it is. And they'll be ready to go in a month and all this other stuff. So I guess I don't need to fix it up until next time. Until we
Yay!
So,
I love little money makers.
it's a little one for sure.
We're on our way to see Kendra's newest flip because it's literally over the hill and through the woods. If you can take a four-wheeler there, I'm a fan. Whee! You know you're four-wheeling East Tennessee when you come up and over the hill and there's the outhouse. Yeah, baby. I have always loved this building. Old church, old school, whatever it is. I've always loved it. And it's so nice to know who owns it. Yay! So we're here behind the old schoolhouse at Kendra's new spot. So there's a building pad over there. She's gonna put some long-term RV spots on for people to rent, vacation rental, and then this is the new property. Yay! It's haunted, fantastic. bonding with you guys. Y'all, I have had such an amazing day with Kendra. I said this before, but today was the best Thursday that I've had all week. I had so much fun, y'all. We went and looked. Her parents just bought a house that they're going to flip and move into, and it is definitely from the 70s, and it was gorgeous. And then we went and looked at some houses that Kendra is flipping. We went and rode four-wheelers, and I don't know how women do this, but Kendra is one of those women that after we got done riding four-wheelers, she looked like she just like walked off the runway or something. I mean, her hair is in like these nice pretty curls, her makeup's still on, and I had to go find a hat that my mom gave me from her trucking company because I looked like I'd just been riding four-wheelers in the field, and Kendra looks like freaking gorgeous. She's like, hey, you ready to go to lunch? And I was like, if you want to go out with me looking like this, I'll go with you, but you're pretty and I'm whatever. So anyway, I had a fantastic time with Kendra, and Kendra, honey, just keep doing what you're doing, all right? It's not that you're going to be the next big thing to hit real estate. It's that you are a big deal in real estate. Like, I just want you to look, Kendra, at what you're doing, the things that you've accomplished in the last 3 years, the things you've accomplished in the last 3 months, and, you know, the plans that you have to go from, you know, 1 rental house to 7 rental houses this year. Like, you are moving mountains, girl. You are moving mountains. And I am so proud of you, and I am honored to call you a friend and to go spend the day with you and see what you got going on. And I am thrilled, absolutely thrilled to watch you grow and blossom and turn into like dynamite real estate investor. I'm super impressed. The way you're handling being a mom, being a daughter, being a wife, being a realtor, being a real estate investor, being a fix and flipper, all the things that you got going on, girl, like, you are killing it. I had a blast hanging out with you today, and I am down the next time you want to go four-wheeling through the fields and four-wheeling for dollars. I am in. I had a wonderful VIP day with you today, and I can't wait to see what you're able to accomplish. If anybody else is interested, Kendra and I just spent most of the day together. This is a Thursday. Last week I did a VIP day with Maria in Florida. This week I'm doing a VIP day with Kendra in Tennessee. Next week I'll be in California doing a VIP day with Janine. So, like, if you want to do a VIP day with me, if riding around on four-wheelers or in the car or on the boat or whatever, you want to go look at houses, you want to go talk to sellers, you want to make some offers, you want to scout out a honey hole, or even if you don't want me to come to you, I had a Facebook memory pop up today that this day last year I did a VIP day with a lady in California, and we'd never met before. We spent 10 hours together on Zoom calls doing real estate, using the internet, and looking for deals, finding a honey hole, analyzing properties, going through all the things. So if you want to hang out with me in person, I am in. We'll do an in-person VIP day. If you don't want to hang out with me in person, that's cool. I understand. But we can do an online VIP day also. Y'all send me a message, send me an email, info@whitneynicely.com. I probably have a website or a URL that you can check out how to get a VIP day with me, but just get in touch with me. Let me know that you want to do a VIP day, and I am more than happy to come help you get your deals done fast. Or get your next deal done. I mean, Kendra's doing deals. Monica's, who I did the deal with in California, the VIP day with last year, online, she was already doing deals. So whether you want to get your first deal done fast or whether you just want to get your next deal done fast. All right, I gotta run in, take a shower, get the four-wheeling off of me so I can go get my facial and massage. Because it's self-care after the VIP days, right? All right, I'm out of here.